Welcome to mathematics class. Objectives to locate irrational numbers on a number line. Let us move on to the next topic, that is irrational numbers. Today we are going to learn how to locate irrational numbers on number line. Problem number 1. Locate root 2 on a number line. In order to locate root 2 on a number line, we need to follow one simple calculation, and in order to follow that simple calculation, I am drawing over here one right angle triangle. I am naming this right angle triangle as O, A and B. Method says that always this given number, take this number as your hypotenuse. So I am writing OB as root 2. And the base of this triangle always we have to take as 1 centimeter. So what I have assumed over here, the given number I am going to take as hypotenuse always, and even the base I will keep fixed, that is 1 centimeter. Now if you go to see, two sides are there with me, so I have to find out BA. So students, let us find out this BA. To find BA, I know that this particular triangle, that is OAB. In order to find BA in this particular triangle, that is OAB, I know that this triangle is a right angle triangle, and if I have two sides with me, I can find out the third side by using Pythagoras theorem. So I am applying Pythagoras theorem for this right angle triangle. OB square hypotenuse square is equal to BA square plus OA square. BA square plus OA square. Now substitute the value of OB. OB is root 2, so root 2 the whole square is equal to, BA is not given, so I will keep this BA as it is, BA square plus OA. OA is assumed as 1 centimeter, so 1 square. So now root 2 square, so root and square will get cancelled, so you got 2 over here. BA square will be BA square plus 1 square is 1. So I can say that in order to get BA square, I have to transfer this number plus 1 on the other side. So it will become 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1 is equal to BA square. So I am not interested in BA square. I am interested in only BA. So I have to remove this square. In order to remove this, I have to put root sign on the other side. So root of 1 is equal to BA. So I am removing this square. So I am writing BA. If I want to remove, I have to put root sign for the number which is on the opposite side. So root of 1 is nothing but 1. So I can say that I got the value of BA, that is nothing but 1 centimeter. So I can write over here BA is equal to 1 centimeter. The values of all the sides of this particular triangle, that is OB as root 2. This we had assumed at 1 centimeter, and we got this BA as 1 centimeter. Now let us locate root 2 on a number line. First we have to draw number line. So I am drawing number line. I am marking these points with the distance of 1 centimeter. So I am taking this middle point as 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So this is my 1, this is my 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So on the other side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on. Now students, now let us locate root 2 on a number line. In order to locate, we have to take help of this particular triangle. I know that the base of the triangle is 1 centimeter, that is from O to A. So let me take this point as O, which is marked as 0. So I can say that this is O. From O to A, it is 1. From O to A, so I can draw this particular line as, and this marking which is there as 1. I know that this is my O and this is my A. After getting OA, that is 1 centimeter, I know that I have to get from A to B, I have to get 1 centimeter. Marking this point OA, I need AB, which is 90 degrees. So take help of your protractor and place it on 1, that is A now, and mark this as 90 degree and draw straight line. Draw straight line. I got this particular 90 degree over here now. I got this particular 90 degree. Now I know that from A to B it is 1 centimeter. For that, I have to take help of compass. Measure with the help of your scale 1 centimeter and cut on this particular line. So with 1 centimeter I am cutting this. Now draw a straight line from O to this particular point, that is your B. This is B. So I took first 1 centimeter, then I marked my 90 degree with the help of protractor. After drawing line, I took help of the scale, I took help of my compass, and I took 1 centimeter and I marked it on this particular 90 degree line, and then I have joined OB. After doing this, now the last step is left. After doing that, what we have to do is this: we have to take help of this compass, keep on pointer tip. This is your pointer tip, this is your pencil tip. So keep this pointer tip on O. Keep this pointer tip on O. Measure this B. Measure this B. Measure this B. And after measuring, draw an arc. After measuring, draw an arc which will cut your number line. Draw an arc. Draw an arc which will cut your number line. And this point where it is cutting your number line, that point is your root 2. This point is your root 2. Be careful. Practice time. Thank you.